Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products with a clear focus on science, results, and real experiences. Today, we're exploring the MIZON Snail Repair Intensive Ampoule, an intriguing product that's been gaining attention for its promises of hydration, wrinkle care, and skin regeneration. This ampoule contains a powerhouse blend of Snail Mucin, Hyaluronic Acid, vitamin E, and peptides. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. The MIZON Snail Repair Intensive Ampoule is designed to tackle several common skin concerns. Packed with a high concentration of snail secretion filtrate, this product claims to deeply hydrate, repair damaged skin, and improve elasticity, making it an excellent choice for those looking for anti-aging solutions. It also boasts an infusion of adenosine and panthenol, vitamin B5, which helps to reduce fine lines, boost skin regeneration, and lock in moisture for a long-lasting effect without irritation. One of the standout features of this ampoule is its inclusion of strawberry extract, which is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. This helps brighten the skin, even out skin tone, and restore radiance. With all these ingredients in one bottle, it sounds like the perfect remedy for dull, aging skin. But how does it actually perform? In terms of texture, this ampoule is fast-absorbing and lightweight, which makes it a breeze to layer into your skincare routine. There's no sticky residue, and my skin feels refreshed, plump, and dewy right after application. I've been using it both in the morning and evening, and I've noticed that it fits seamlessly into my routine, whether under makeup or alongside other serums and moisturizers. What I really appreciate about this ampoule is how it delivers hydration without overwhelming my skin. Some hydrating serums can feel too heavy, but this one strikes a perfect balance, keeping things light and breathable, yet effective. It's ideal for my routine because I can use it without feeling like it's weighing down my skin. However, while the formula works wonders for hydrating and improving texture, the anti-aging claims are a bit more subtle. After consistent use over a couple of weeks, I've noticed a slight improvement in skin elasticity, but the reduction of fine lines has been minimal. That said, results will vary depending on individual skin concerns and how much product you use over time. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: lightweight, fast-absorbing formula that layers easily. Excellent hydration, leaving skin plump and dewy. Enriched with beneficial ingredients like Snail Mucin, vitamin C, and peptides, which offer repair and radiance. Gentle enough for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Cons: while it hydrates beautifully, its wrinkle-reducing effects might take longer to notice or may be more subtle, especially for deep lines. The price point might be a bit higher than other hydrating serums on the market with similar ingredients. When it comes to value for money, the MIZON Snail Repair Intensive Ampoule is on the pricier side. But considering its high-quality ingredients and multifunctional benefits, it's justifiable for those looking for an anti-aging serum with extra hydration and skin-brightening benefits. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are other products that offer similar hydration at a more affordable price. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. The ampoule comes in a sturdy glass bottle, which is ideal for maintaining the integrity of the ingredients. As for longevity, I've been using it for about 3 weeks now, and a little goes a long way. I expect this bottle to last a couple of months with regular use. If you're considering alternatives, there are other Snail Mucin-based serums on the market, such as those from CosRX or Benton, that provide similar benefits for a lower price. However, MIZON's ampoule stands out for its combination of ingredients like strawberry extract and hyaluronic acid, which can give it an edge for those focused on brightening and overall skin health. So, what's the final verdict? This ampoule is definitely a solid choice for anyone seeking a hydrating, skin-repairing serum that delivers long-term benefits. If you're looking for something to improve elasticity and give your skin a firmer feel, this product is worth trying. However, if you're primarily after a quick fix for fine lines, you may need to be patient for noticeable results. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget, If you've tried the MIZON Snail Repair Intensive Ampoule, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.